What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to add social share floating buttons into your WordPress website posts, pages or contents, or even products on your WooCommerce for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites' favors. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is understand the why. Imagine the following scenario. You see the social sharing buttons into the bottom or into the top section of your post, but while you scroll down the page, there is no button to share. What if we can have it like a floating button? It's possible. Let's learn how to do this. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, you're gonna be able to find a section called search plugins. Click on it and type social snap. Just like this. And this is the guide we are looking for. Click on install now. Social share buttons, social sharing icons, click to tweet, social media plugin by social snap. Now click into the activate button. Click into the activate again. We're gonna keep it all for free, so nothing to worry, okay? The plugin gonna redirect you to this welcome page. We're gonna click into customize social snap. And here is the options that the plugin offers for you into the free version. We have social followers, social sharing, and click to tweet. I'm gonna focus into social sharing. Now we have the option to manage networks and to the floating sidebar, okay? And this is the guide we're looking for, the floating sidebar. First thing, we're gonna need to enable the floating sidebar, okay? Now we can change the position, for example, from the left sidebar to the right sidebar, from rotate to circle or to rectangle, up to you, okay? We can make it large, regular, or small. We can make it appear into posts only, into pages, templates, custom post types, products on your WooCommerce. We can apply spacing to the buttons. We can add an option to show all networks or not. We can make networks label tooltips. I recommend it. We can make the total share counts in the case that you want, the share counts individually, and we can hide this on mobile or not. These are all the free options. After doing the change, scroll down and hit the save change button, okay? Now let's go back once again and go to the manage networks. Right here we're gonna be able to set or remove social media networks that would like to have it or not, okay? Into your sidebar. Into a simple and effective way. For example, imagine that I would like to remove the mix. Remove it. Let me save change. And we are good to go. And we have now our floating social sharing buttons just like this. Simple, easy, works great, and it's very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin, using widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit our blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your app design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!